It's me and the Frugal Chef. Welcome to day 3 of low carb week. Today we're making this fantastic chicken breast in a cilantro sauce. And guys, I promise you, you're going to love this recipe. Don't forget to go and retrieve your free cookbook from the website, guys. Remember, all you gotta do is go to thefrugalchef.com, click on the healthy cookbook, and then sign up an account if you don't have one with Retrieve and get your free copy. It's not a way to fish and get your emails, nothing like that. I'm just giving away the cookbook to the first 100 people that sign up. So don't forget to do that. And also, if you haven't subbed, and you would, I'd really appreciate it. Make sure to click on the notification button and let's do this. All right, we're going to butterfly 2 chicken breasts. So now we're going to pound them to make them a little thinner. So we want them about that thick, okay? Don't go overboard. I'm going to squeeze a lemon onto the chicken. All right, I'm gonna add salt and pepper. All right, I'll just use my bare hands now to make sure it all gets covered, okay? I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to cover this with a piece of plastic wrap, and I am going to refrigerate it for about an hour. We're gonna heat a little bit of oil in this pan. I'm using avocado oil. You can use, whatever oil you have. We're gonna let this heat well so that we can cook our chicken. We're going to brown our chicken on both sides, guys. And if I have to work in batches, I'm just gonna work in batches, okay? Once your chicken has browned like this, flip it. I'm gonna do this with the 4 pieces and set them aside. This is taking about 4 minutes per side, guys. I'm going to add a small onion and 2 garlic cloves. Doesn't matter how you chop this, we're gonna blend the sauce, so you don't have to be too precise, okay? I'm gonna add a splash of homemade chicken stock to this. I wanna scrape the bottom of my pan. Those have a lot of flavor. All right, we're going to cook this for, 5-6 minutes until everything is softened in there. I'm gonna put about a half a teaspoon of ground cumin in here and a teaspoon of oregano. We're going to cook this. We want those spices to cook as well. I'm gonna transfer my cooked onions and garlic to my blender. I'm gonna add a bunch of cilantro with the stems. I'm gonna add half of a jalapeño. I'm gonna leave it like this. Optional, guys. And I'm not putting the whole thing. This is kind of a ginormous one. And I'm gonna add a cup of that homemade chicken stock that I have here. Obviously, use whatever chicken stock you want, okay? Some pepper, and some salt. We will adjust the salt if necessary when everything is cooked. I am gonna go and blend this. All right, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that sauce so that I can deglaze the pan. Then we'll just add it all. I'm going to return the chicken with the juices, guys. All right, let's check this. This chicken is cooked, I'm sure. We're gonna transfer this to a platter. All right, I'm going to increase the heat here, guys, and I'm going to reduce this sauce. I'm gonna let it boil furiously for a bit until it reduces by about a third. All right, our sauce has thickened a bit. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish you could smell this. All right, I'm gonna spoon some of this on top of the chicken. Make sure to serve this on the side so people can just pour it on top of their meat. You can serve this as is. You can serve it with cauliflower rice. You can serve it with mashed cauliflower, whatever you want. It is absolutely a treat to eat. Add some lemons, and I'm going to serve. Let's give this a try. The meat is cooked through. This chicken, it is tender. It is moist. And oh my gosh. Guys. That sauce. Oh, it is vibrant. And it's got a little kick from the spice. And it's little tangy from the lemon that we put right now and the lemon we put on the chicken when we marinated it. Wow, this is a very, very good meal. Oh. I am so happy. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we're going to make some like a false sauerkraut if you want. Super easy so that we can serve it on Friday with our air fried pork chops. Thanks guys, I'll see you tomorrow.